took place in 1977 when Prabhupada was almost departing. He was visited by a devotee named Puri Maharaj. Puri Maharaj and Prabhupada always had a very close and intimate relationship, but he came to pay his final respects to Prabhupada. Then Prabhupada said to him, I want to give you something, a gift. And Puri Maharaj said, whatever you want to give me, I'll accept. I didn't expect you to do that. Then Prabhupada whispered something into one of his disciples' ear. A few minutes later, the disciple came back with a plate of Mahaprasadam, which was given to the Krishna Balaram deities. And Prabhupada then gave the whole plate to Puri Maharaj and asked him to respect it. So Puri Maharaj respected the whole plate very enthusiastically. And that's the end of that story.